Hey friends, if you wish to set the correct location with the Windows Weather app, then please watch this video. Now it's all in the widgets app, there's no separate weather app for this. So here's what you have to do. Right click on the taskbar and select taskbar settings. And then you will have the widgets app here. Make sure that it's turned on. Now go to the widgets app and click on the downward pointing arrow, select manage locations, and then select a different location here. You can simply add that location. It will not change everything immediately, but it will give you more options. Now you can simply select the new location and see the weather will change for the to the new location. Okay, I'll change it to London because the weather is considerably different in London. Okay, I click on add. It will not immediately change it to London. Then you'll have to click on the downward pointing arrow and select London. Okay, and see it changed the temperature to London. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.